What's up, guys? We're back with another World Market Find, excuse me, World Market Review, Snap Review. You know World Market got them exotic snacks. So I only picked up four things. You know how we do. So, what are the four things you say? Well, we got another Kit Kat. Another Kit Kat for the series. This one is black and white. It a little melted, but it's still gonna be edible. It's still probably gonna be good. Yeah, it's black and white. I think it's cookies and cream. Yeah, I think it's cookies and cream. That one's cookies and cream. Another one I got is a lion bar. I got a lion bar. Yep, that's what it says. A lion bar, and then I got a marzipan bar. Ignore the sticker. Yes, marzipan bar. And last thing I got is some Milka cookies. I like this brand. This brand been hidden. So far. So I picked up the cookies. It's supposed to be chocolate jaffa or chocolate flavored mousse, whatever. But Milka been hidden. Kit Kat been hidden. Whatever. Let's go ahead and get started with the candy bars. I'm gonna do the Kit Kat since it's halfway minute. So Kit Kat. Go ahead and get that open. It melted. So we have to. Can't do a cringe-worthy moment. We're just gonna have to yeah. As you can see, it's white and falling. Let me see if I can get some. Damn. Shit. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see the white, but it's there. So let's go ahead and try the pieces that fell in my hand. Ooh. That's just a Hershey's cookies and cream. But yeah, let me just. Ooh, that kind of do give out Hershey's cookies and cream. Hold on. I'm gonna fuck this up, y'all. Okay. Yeah, it kind of melts, but you can see. The inside tastes familiar, too. But the most definitely, that chocolate is giving Hershey's cookies and cream. Okay, wait, okay. Next up is the lions. Ooh, that was good. And that's what the lion, it really doesn't say what is in it. But yeah. It got the little crispies on the outside. So let's go ahead and take a bite. That's the inside. So what I'm getting for this is basically the crunch bar outside. You know how crunch bar got little popping shits in it. It's a wafer. That wafer has the same texture as the Kit Kat. And it's also giving Milky Way, which I'm not mad at that. So I got three textures: crunch, Milky Way after filling inside, and the Kit Kat. That's not bad. I don't know what I thought it was, but that one good too. Next is the marzipan bar. So the candy's been hidden so far. Damn, look at that marzipan. Bruh, look at that. Look at that. Choo-choo. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to this one. This will be something covered in dark chocolate. I don't think I have ever had marzipan. What is it? I don't know. We're going to see it. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't think I like that one. That one, It kind of reminds, I thought it was going to be almond joy, has a solid. As you can see, it kind of has a little cake texture. And it said it tastes like coconut. That's not almond joy, I don't know what it is. I don't think I like that one. I don't know. I don't mind coconut and chocolate, but that one, it's the inside. Like, I'm getting coconut and I'm getting like other stuff. Condensed milk, maybe? I don't know. Last thing, Milka cookies. Still got that in my mouth. Ooh, as you can see, let's go ahead and with Alpine milk, as you can see, Alpine milk. Wow, okay. Go ahead and get this open. Last. Ooh, what a smell. Those smell wonderful. Ooh, it's soft. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this shit's soft. That's the front. I thought it was gonna be like a Keebler type. This shit's soft. That is a pillow. I don't think I would like it soft. I thought it would be like, if it was a hard cookie with that chocolate mousse on it, yeah, but I don't like how soft it is. It don't match. I don't know. I didn't feel that one as much as I thought it would. Because I thought the cookie was hard. Like an extra shortbread, like a Keebler cookie. But I'm not feeling that milk. It tastes like a snack cake. I ain't mad at that part. It's just, I didn't like how that, that one, That's a no. So, we're gonna rank them. The snack I like the best. We're gonna start with that Kit Kat bar. Well, yeah, that Kit Kat bar. Cause that chocolate cookies and cream that tastes like a Hershey. Number 2 is the Lion. Yeah, that's the 3. Yeah. Okay. Last 2. You know what? That marzipan gonna be last. That marzipan's gonna be number 4. It's because the inside filling. I would rather do the Milka over the marzipan. So Milka is number 3. Marzipan is number 4. All right, guys. Break. I'm gonna finish this. Break me off of a Kit Kat bar and Lion, and do something with the other 2, and that's the end of reviews. I'll see y'all guys next time.